They have their photographs to take, and after this they will go to the next event and they will take good pictures, and you should give them good pictures, and that's it. It's not the 10 of them or being or not being there do not define or make you who you are. You are who you are, and that's sort of an idea which I've underlined in the book.
Of kids who come in to be actors is they're looking for self-worth on the outside. Not a lot of them want to be actors. They want the fame, they want the recognition, because they want their self-worth to be boosted by these externals, and it really isn't. And that's, I think it's, you know, you asked the question, is it in the book, how to deal with success? There isn't a lot about how to deal with success, but there are parts that will serve you no matter where you are in life, which is to deal with people with grace and compassion and politeness. Those are things that at any stage, wherever you are, will always serve you well. So there are those.
Jiska, we've got so many acting.
On the set, shooting and theatre, I've mentioned specifically in the book that how doing theatre is crucial. And Mukesh will add to that. He picks most actors from theatre. You know, so the idea of, for example, if you have to fix a carburetor, gaadi ka carburetor, or change a tire, or operate somebody's heart or something, would I trust somebody who's got no training and never gone? Would I ask him to open my heart and put a stent in it or whatever? I wouldn't. Likewise, when somebody's got crores of rupees, why would they give it to somebody who's got no training? Unless they're looking for that face and say कि आपने कुछ भी नहीं किया इसके पहले and we're ready to hire you. But that's like looking for a needle in a haystack. You can't come with that idea of acting. So maybe Mukesh can elaborate a little bit.
No, I think you said it the right thing. Theatre will always help.
Easy to break into acting. Do you think this book will be any good, or you want to just use it as toilet paper?
I'm going to, but I remember when you said हम पढ़ेंगे और 2 साल में, since you told us, you know, this is out, so we're really inspired by your energy and your commitment, and by your generosity in sharing this with all of us. And I'm sure we've had so many conversations about how tough it is and how great it is and how you know, difficult it is and yet how sublime. And I'm sure, you know, I'm looking forward to reading your book and keep doing what we are doing here. Our voice exercises, like Mukesh said, and everything else that goes with it. Learning how to put makeup, which, by the way, Jiska has helped us a lot. How to just basically dress up and look clean, you know. Rasika?
I'm really looking forward to the book because
For something.
Yeah, and I remember the first time I met her and we bonded about how the fact that everybody dresses really in a filmy fashion and we need to get real.
But perhaps Mukesh can answer that.
I know Mukesh can answer.
And he shared a very, very, very interesting episode. He said कि एक actor office में आया, 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार, और उसको बार-बार बोला गया कि काम नहीं है भाई, अभी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, अभी नहीं है. So he said कुछ नहीं, मैं चाय बनाऊंगा. So Anurag said कि 4 लोग already चाय बना रहे हैं, अब मैं कितने लोगों को चाय बनवा लूँ, you know. So he said अब क्या, तो 9 बार हुआ आया. Finally the office staff passed the message on to Anurag कि ये बहुत बार आ रहा है, इससे मिल लो. So that guy came, he met Anurag and he said, sir, आप ना ऐसे साइको टाइप के हैं और मेरे को ना इसीलिए आपके साथ काम करना है क्योंकि मैं भी ना बिल्कुल मेंटल हूँ. So Anurag was like, you know, people try and mold